We are about to embark on possibly the dumbest thing we've ever done here on this channel, and that is take my 100% stock 2000 Miata and take what could quite possibly be the cheapest and worst eBay turbo kit that money can buy. And I'll link that exact kit in the description. And a word of warning, I have absolutely zero idea what I'm doing. And I don't know exactly how much of the filming process of the install I'll do. But the end result will definitely be shown. For the most part, everything looks, decent. It's not like falling apart yet. I'm sure it will, but not yet. The car is still completely stock, other than wheels. Has right at 150,000 miles on it. Still pulls really strong. So the question I have for you, and you can leave your answer in the comments, what kind of power is the car going to make? And how long will this last before catastrophic failure? Now, for the most part, this is a complete kit. There's a few things that are still missing and we'll have to pick up, which I'll be doing here shortly in order to start the process. And like I said, I probably won't film all of it just because, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. And I guess the real question is, why would I install an eBay turbo kit instead of spending better money? Well, I think the answer is pretty obvious.
I'm retarded.
Anyway, let's go drive the car, see how it sounds, see how it pulls. And hopefully here shortly we'll have this on and, well, we'll see just how bad it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and turn the notifications on. That way when everything's done, the install's done, you guys will get a notification. You'll be able to see the end result. and see just how big of a catastrophic mistake I've made. Or who knows, maybe we'll get lucky and it'll run for a while and we'll be able to have some fun.